Here's Daddy feeding baby Acadia. He's doing a great job. We're gonna go see baby. Oh, there you are, my precious angel. There you are. You're eating. Okay. This is our area. We have their names here. There's Acadia Bryn. She's getting the phototherapy. And here's our other precious pumpkin. And that's baby Sedona. Hello. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? There you are. Sleepy baby. We love you. We're taking good care of you. Okay?